go by. Tryna let the time heal all. Tryna let the time kill all of our memories. All you meant to me. All that history. All that's history. I'll calm down eventually. Fall back eventually.
This is inside of the room.
Tip number 4, balconies. Let's talk about the
It's so cute.
Winds can close balcony doors pretty quickly, so always keep hands and feet clear of the door frame. The next tip is
My first cruise.
don't open your main stateroom door while your balcony door is open.
Wait, hold on, everybody freeze!
Hey guys, so mwen Bahamas, mwen deside vini Bahamas pou fèt mwen, so I'm so excited. Nou fèk rive Half Moon Cay Island, so I'm very excited. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys. So mwen jist ap fè un ti mache kounyan, nou gen aktivite avèk 10h30, so mwen jist ap mache pour Kounia et puis nous allons faire activité later. Activité pour jeudi c'est horseback riding on the beach. Nous bon la mer. We're just walking. It's so beautiful. It's so pretty.
You're so sunshine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That's a newborn.
al nan la mer. Sa e premye fwa en general ke mwen monte cheval. So mwen te vreman pe, but it was so much fun. Li te vreman fun. And then moun ki travay la yo, they're very nice. So yo te vreman ede nou, and it was such a nice experience. Kounya nap manje lunch. Say hi to my vlog.
Muteba.
The water feels so good. Etan ko se Haiti miye. We're in half moon.
Okay. I like a mermaid.
Nou ap kite Half Moon Cay pou nan monte Chateau sa. Epi pou nou tourne back nan gwo bato wa. Hey guys, so activity yo get up fini. Say hey, Slim.
We're gonna go eat big bag shit.
So we're going to eat. Apre nou fin manje. Lem rive, mak monte nou kom an restoran ensemble.
We're gonna climb all the stairs.
So restoran an dan bato wa. Lem rive, mak monte nou kom an restoran ensemble. Mwen mbou ki a desen mach eskalye, oui. True. Hello, you remember my name. That's so nice.
You see how I'm glowing?
She's glowing.
Very sexy, very sun-kissed,
Very demure.
very much at sea. Are you at sea? Go at sea. You're not serious. You just need a vacation.
What you doing? I'm looking at cotton.
We will see you. What you get it? Ooh, what you getting?
Cheers.
Yeah.
More well known featuring iconic Chi Chi, the saxophone solo. If you guys are just joining us, we are the Conquest Rock Band, also known as the Cruise Show.
12 years of my life is still trying to get up to great big hill of hope for a destination. Thank you.
Hey guys. So nou rive Nassau, Bahamas. So aujourd'hui, activité pour aujourd'hui, c'est swimming with sea turtles and snorkeling. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. Make sure to record as much as I can. Let me leave it. So stay tuned, guys.
I'm not serious. We're here. You see me? I see you.
We see you, girl.
Kotoe.